Within the landscape of LED lighting we have seen almost everything, so lamps like this one should not be surprising. And we speak in conditional, since Levimoon can seem in principle of everything except the lamp. And it is a small one that we can have at the table at home. Levimoon, its own name already indicates what we are facing, is a curious moon-shaped lamp that stands out, together with its appearance, for floating suspended in the air on a base of walnut wood and offering different shades of light to adjust them to every environment. It is a lamp made of plastic that offers the appearance of a moon, more exactly an image traced to that of our beloved satellite. A lamp that has in its interior an LED lighting system that generates light to the taste of the user. With a striking design, this lamp stands out by levitating on the base. Without wires or connections of any kind, this system with a full moon shape floats on the base and offers the option to change even the speed of rotation, looking in this way to offer a relaxing effect. Inside it houses a rechargeable battery of 600 mAh that will be the one that offers light to the lamp, a light that on the other hand the user can change the tone and intensity thanks to a tactile control system located in the base, with which also we can manage the rotation speed. In the lower area of the sphere, where the mechanism of the luminaire is housed, we find an equally tactile control, to turn it off or on or start charging the battery. In addition to facilitate the use and that we always have located the location of the control, we can activate a small light that tells us in which area is active.